What's up, guys? We up here at Z Auto Performance doing some dyno shootouts, checking out some cars. Got my boy right here with Drop Top Racing. Pow! Right there. 4.6, man. Hey, y'all go subscribe to his channel, Drop Top Racing, man. Got some good stuff coming your way. He's going to be stepping up his channel soon, at least what he told me, right?
Hey, Elder brought top end.
Tell us about it. Tell us about it.
Single turbo. I got rid of the cast iron block and went ahead with the Tesket. All aluminum. We're looking at about 15 pounds of boost right now and a little bit over 700. So y'all go check the channel out.
You hear that? A little over 700. You gonna put it on the dyno today?
I think I'm gonna be a little girl and keep it parked.
Oh man, you gonna keep it parked today?
I'm a hard park today.
Well, y'all check this car out, man. Beautiful green color. That's what color the Lambo is right there. And then I got my boy Eric. Got his car over here. Check this out, man. Look at this. Old classic. Eric, come here, man. Tell us about this ride. Tell us about this beautiful ride here, man.
69 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. It is what it is.
Dude,
Cruiser.
Look, he
It's
just
a nice day to have a top down.
That's right. He just downplaying it, guys. Y'all
Showing some love down here at Z Auto.
That's right.
With
Z Auto
Bobby Land
and Jose. That's right, brother.
Hey, we gotta give props to them. We gotta come out every now and then and support your locals.
That's right. You got to. Man, y'all.
Absolutely.
This car. I mean, y'all just don't understand how beautiful. I just love. Man, I love cars. Eric's got all kind of cars that I love, and one day we're gonna get together and do some videos. We got this coming, guys.
Whenever you're ready, Bobby, just give me a holler.
That's right, man.
Perfect.
All right, guys, I just finished up there at Z Auto Performance. Pretty good showing today for their first show. Lots of dyno runs going on, as you can see in the video. Guys, in a couple of weeks, we're going to be up in Nashville for the SPADE rally. Hope to get a catch of Damon and them at Daily Driven Exotics if they're going to be on it. Well, guys, until the next video, we look forward to you riding with us.
Dum